When it comes to home cooking, the flavor and also the time spent in the kitchen matter just as much. That's why I'm always looking for some recipe that is delicious and easy to prepare at home. And today I would like to show you my teriyaki chicken with rice and with some vegetables. I have the deboned chicken thigh on the skin, which is best for this recipe. And because I want to pan fry the chicken and I want to make the chicken skin to be crispy, that's why I want to keep it as dry as possible. You can use a dry cloth as what I'm doing, or use a paper towel. It's really up to you. Season the chicken with some ground white pepper and some salt on both sides. Now let's prepare the teriyaki sauce. The sauce comprises of few ingredients. This is the Japanese soy sauce. And then I have the mirin. Mirin is a sweet wine which is commonly used in Japanese cooking. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And also some sugar. You can use any sugar you like. I have some brown sugar. So about that amount will do. And in addition to that, few slices of ginger and a few cloves of mashed garlic. Combine all these ingredients and this is the homemade teriyaki sauce. And of course, you can use the store-bought teriyaki sauce if you want to simplify this recipe further. Before I pan fry the chicken, I want to make a few cuts at the thickest part of the chicken thigh. That is to ensure that all parts of the chicken thighs are evenly in terms of the thickness. And that will help to cook it evenly in the pan. Like for example, this one is too thick, so I need to just make a few cuts and flatten it so that it will be evenly cooked. Otherwise, the thickest part will not be cooked properly when the thinner part is already fully cooked. Alright, let's pan fry the chicken, skin side down. I'll let it fry a little while until the color of the skin turns color and become crispy. Now the color has already changed. Let's flip it over. And continue cooking the other side until the chicken is fully cooked. It will take another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side until the chicken is fully cooked. But if let's say if you're unsure and if you have a kitchen thermometer, just poke it at the thickest part and make sure that the temperature is about at least 70 to 72 degrees Celsius. Now it's 68, so I'll just cook for another minute. Now let's put the teriyaki sauce into the pan and be careful not to wet the chicken skin because the chicken skin now is crispy, and we want to ensure that the chicken skin is still crispy after cooking, and let the chicken meat to absorb the flavor of the sauce from the bottom. The sauce has thickened and reduced to half or more than half of the original volume. Now let's remove the chicken from the sauce carefully and do not wet the chicken skin. I'll keep the remaining sauce and I'll use it to drizzle onto the chicken and part of it drizzle onto the rice afterwards. Cut the chicken into 1/2 inch thick. I've cooked some rice earlier, and let's put the chicken on top and serve along with some green vegetables. And the thick and sticky teriyaki sauce. A little bit on the rice too. Some toasted sesame seeds and a little bit of the cold green onion to garnish. Easy teriyaki chicken with rice and with vegetables that you can make it at home quick and easy, and it's going to be better than any takeout because it is fresh and it is still crispy. If you want to try this recipe, I've included it in the description below the videos and also at the end of this video for your reference. Please subscribe, tap the notification, give me a thumbs up, try it at home, let me know the result in your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.